So I'm gonna show you guys everything about the day in the life of a pro. But first we have a little bit of a jet experience. A Jet2 Holiday.
Nothing beats a Jet2 Holiday.
Very nice. Thank you, Mr. Harvey.
Just shake everyone's hand, be super polite, and being you can booze.
Beautiful. Thank you. Ah, very nice. Here we are headed from Los Angeles to Milwaukee. We have the plane, got everything. Drove right up to the plane. The flight leaves at 3. We arrived here at 2:55. Pretty good. Not too bad.
We're not even like, we're in Milwaukee, I guess.
Not too bad. Getting comfortable, taking the shoes off, stretching the legs. I think my toes are stinky.
Definitely stinky.
Can you smell them?
It smells like fine wine and goat cheese.
Oh, I see you also have your dogs out as well, and we got Subway, so feeling good.
Yeah, pedicure toes. We have
feeling very nice. Starting the mimosa count. Here's mimosa number 1 for Mr. Bryant Yang, the alcoholic.
So should we do a thing who's going to be the most drunk at the end of the flight? My guess is it's Brian.
Yeah, based on the fact that you're not drinking and I'm not drinking. Wow. I think it's gonna be you. I don't know. Well, I haven't even told my parents that we're doing this yet.
No, we're doing some race car stuff. Hey, whoa! Twice.
That was weird. Did you feel that? Yeah. My ears already full.
You want me to get you another one, Brian?
Yeah, you already finished
yes,
with
I'm
your...
gonna need, yeah, another one possibly.
Are we gonna make it on your YouTube video?
I think you are. Yeah. Say hello.
I'm gonna surf.
Oh. Oh, wow.
So,
goodbye.
At what point we're gonna turn around?
That was a nice takeoff. What do you rate the takeoff?
12 out of 10, but I have no vape, so it can't be 100 out of 10.
No vape.
Don't do drugs, kids. Goodbye, Los Angeles. Didn't know I was leaving until 30 seconds ago.
You can see my house down there.
We got the Subway, nice little pickup of a 6-inch before, and we got a cookie. Very nice. Delicioso.
Yeah, we came up through the park. The park? Really?
Mimosa number 2?
Yeah. You guys don't follow Cam Casey on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest.
Oh, Pinterest.
YouTube.
I saw my tattoos on Pinterest the other day.
No, you didn't.
I did. I was looking at tattoo ideas and I saw my shoulder and I was like, wow, finally made it. Subway cookies, very good. So much room for activities. I could do a gym workout, I could do push-ups, I could do sit-ups, I could do whatever I want, and I'm like comfy in my socks. This is lovely. I found out that I was doing this about maybe an hour and a half before, and I was like, you want to go to Milwaukee? And I'm like, sure, let's go to Milwaukee. So here we are going to Milwaukee for 2 days, and my parents still don't know.
Where are you? Maybe on a private jet?
Yeah, we're going to Milwaukee right now.
What are you doing in Milwaukee?
Tanner's racing. So.
Where are you going? Oh, really?
You guys should come say hi.
Yeah, we're going to.
I was gonna say we should drive up there. Yeah.
It's 2 hours to be in Road America.
Look, he might show
Oh, you want to Road America?
Yeah.
Okay.
What mimosa number are we on here? Number 3. I do not condone this. I don't condone the over drinkage of alcohol. But he's an adult and can make his own decisions, so that's what he does. All that hard work and drinking and clubbing is what got you this jet.
Yes, I feel very powerful.
Okay. Oh, wow.
You know.
Oh, very nice. Shut these window dawns. Make it nice and dark and moody and
sleepy time.
Set the mood.
It doesn't even feel like we're flying. I think we're in a sound stage.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Okay, you'll let me know tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Number 4.
Hard day at work, man.
Yeah.
Wow, Corey's on.
Been a really hard day at work. I can see.
And like give him the bottle.
Oh my God. Alright, number 5 or 6? What are we on here? Oh my God. I also got myself pineapple juice, I believe.
What do you got, a little mocktail?
Pineapple, and then orange.
I don't like shit.
Taylor, please.
Very delicious.
Thank you very much for the shots. I love it.
Oh, thanks.
What number mimosa is Yang on right now? He had no idea. I could literally go, he's on 5 and his first shot. Finish it.
Heinous.
Wait, there's still more.
Heinous. You're a bad influence.
No, please.
Oh my God. Jesus,
Dude.
Yang.
Someone stop this, man.
One more.
Why one more?
You need one more.
I can't feel it.
What do you mean you can't feel it?
I'm sorry. Can we have a one more shot, please?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. XRS Y Z.
Yep.
Yeah, that was good.
Nice.
Nice.
Now I know my ABCs.
Hydrogen and lithium and boron carbon everywhere. Are you gonna can you post that? Can you put that in there?
I'll put a little bit in there.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah. Coming in for a landing, and you can't see literally anything because we're landing kind of in the middle of nowhere in Wisconsin, but we're here to land.
It's like pitch black outside.
Yeah, I know. It's a long flight. 4 hours in there. It was nice though, relaxing, and we're about to land.
That stands. Come on, brakes.
Brakes, work brakes, work brakes. We made it to Wisconsin.
I want to take a couple photos in Milwaukee.
You know,
Come on, have a sandwich.
Wisconsin is home of the cheese curds.
Really?
Yes.
What else?
We'll have to have some cheese curds. They have Culver's. Do you know what Culver's is?
No.
You don't know what Culver's is?
Yeah, fill me in.
It's like the In-N-Out of here.
Oh, really?
It's not burger. I mean, it is burger.
My only response to that is, that ain't Nobu, man.
Yeah. It's not Nobu. It's good. We'll have to try Culver's. Not too bad.
Not too
You
bad
good?
at all. Not really. Since there's a limit of having 7 mimosas on the plane, not really a big fan of that.
What is going on? This is the absolutely ginormous presidential suite. There's so much to this room. Right off the front door, we have a sink and a toilet over there. You walk down this giant hallway here. On the left, we have a bedroom. There's so much room for activities. And then off the bedroom here, there is a really, really large bathroom that's already been used. And then out of the bedroom here, we have another huge living room. And yep, this is my room. And this is where I slept because I got the short end of the stick this trip. But I'm not complaining, I'm having a great time. Good morning, it's the next morning here and we are at Road America in Wisconsin. I'm gonna show you guys what a day in the life looks like for someone who's testing and prepping for a GT3 race, for a McLaren Artura race. I'm gonna show you guys everything inside this car and about it and around it, and it's pretty cool. There it is, the McLaren Artura race car here. Set up, loaded up. How you doing?
Yeah.
Very nice?
Yeah, dude, that track is insane.
So much fun.
Insane.
How's the car feel?
The car feels great. There's like some gnarly turns on there where you're just like flat out and you're like,
Yeah. That's awesome.
so sick. Yeah, that was rad.
So here's the inside on this McLaren. Oh my gosh. Your POV. And actually sitting in, you got so many dials. How cool is that? And you got AC right in there as well. and everything you need. Giving some pressure on the brakes. Here's your POV inside this car. Absolutely no passenger seat here. Torquing the wheels on. That's why I'm sitting in here right now, because they're torquing the wheels. They need pressure on the brake. Wow. What a pretty crazy POV. My first time actually sitting in this car.
Friend gets like wobbly right to the right. Right here, yeah. Well, also, I'll show you.
There's no trunk space.
Yeah.
You can't throw your backpack and suitcase in here.
You can get your backpack in there. It's gonna get a little gross. A little broken, but
a little messed up, but overall not too bad. Yeah. Brakes are hot. Real hot. Oh yeah. Seeing both these cars with the butterfly doors and everything. Butterfly doors on a race car looks crazy. There's so much aero on this car. I mean, like the front louvers, the front lip, and all the carbon. Insane. Refueling. So we're at the lunch break right now, and they're doing some work on the Artura here. They're doing some different adjustments, alignment, and the full rear of this car is open. You can see the exhaust right here coming out. I mean, this thing is insane looking, opened up, fully exposed, jacked up, raised. Right there, they're aligning the car right now, making sure everything is all set. And then this is pretty cool. And then here's the front end. This is the AC vents going through here. You can actually see the intake for your AC is right there and right there, going in and through, straight to the cockpit. So here we are outside of the Forte Racing tent, where they actually have everything set up. The team is set up. They have both McLaren Artura race cars here set up, getting worked on right now. And this is where the drivers can hang out, they can chill, they can do whatever, and they can watch over data. We're currently at lunch break right now, even though, well, we just ended lunch break. That's why you hear some cars ripping by. But this is the area where you can hang out, get some work done, and also where they can work on the cars. And you can see these incredible McLaren race cars.
Mid corner, the car's a little bit free.
because it's kind of
Just drive it. You know, feel the limits, and just don't take any risks on exits and on the super high speed stuff.
okay.
But have fun. Go fast.
Good luck, pal.
Thanks, honey bun.
Go fast.
Don't die.
Yes. Good luck, bud.
Oh, wait.
We're here in the afternoon and Tanner is about to get back in the car in the Artura race. We've got cars flying by here a little bit late to get out to track, but just a test, so it's going at your own pace and doing whatever you like.
So you're lifting too early
entry in turn 7, you're out of it for too long, then get back on it and use the push to pass. Later on the throttle on entry into the carousel under the bridge. Use push to pass on the back straightaway, later brake in the final corner.
Okay. Hey, handsome.
Hey, buddy.
How are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Just trying to be like you, bro.
All right. So, that is the Porsche in the F1 movie that Brad Pitt drove. I just learned that was a Porsche GT3 Brad Pitt drove in the F1 movie. Pretty cool. Now it's here. How are you feeling after 2 days in the McLaren?
I mean, excuse my French, but we're kicking ass, Cam.
Okay.
We're going faster and faster and faster, and the car is handling better and better.
You feel like comfortable though?
I feel dialed.
You feel confident?
I feel confident, dialed, happy, complacent. I feel absolutely fabulous, Cameron.
That's great. I'm so happy.
It's gonna be a good race.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
I'm excited to watch the race.
I'm
gonna be watching the race.
Indubitably.
I'll be watching it.
Really?
I'll be cheering you on.
On TV?
And I'll wear a shirt that says, "Go Tanner." Oh, hello. It is time to go home. Headed back to Los Angeles now and bringing Brother Aiden. You like that?
Yeah, I do.
And my mom is not coming, but she's came to visit and say hi for the racetrack and seeing the Jet.
I've never ridden on one.
Okay, well.
That'll be fun.
Yeah. Here we are headed back to Los Angeles and not a bad way to transport back home. Once again, comfiness. Enjoying and wow. What a life this is. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Cam Casey. I'll see you in the next one.